So the difference is when you're the thermostat, you're dictating what is the temperature going to be. When you're the thermometer, you're just telling what it is. One is more proactive. And so be that proactive influencer, be that proactive business owner, be the proactive podcaster, where you can set the energy, the level, the heat, the temperature that you want this to be. And those around you will fall into place versus you just pointing out, oh, it's hot. Oh, it's too cold. It's making me think of Goldilocks. And this one, it's just right. It'll be just right if you are the thermostat and you're affecting the change. If you're just reading the change, then you're going to sound more like a complainer. You're going to sound more like somebody who is helpless to make anything happen. And you're not helpless. So be the thermostat, not the thermometer.